Welcome to Learn Funnel System. In this video, I am going to walk you through the answers or the funnel building certification program, which is a new certification program launched by System.io recently. This is much easier when compared to the first certification program that covered an overview of how you can use System.io. This is especially for people who want to learn more about sales funnels and an introduction to the sales funnels and how you can use System.io effectively for building an effective sales funnel. So this is totally free. You can get the link from the description and you can get certified for free. I have covered an introduction video before. If you want, you can check that out after watching this video. I'll have that in the end cards of this video. And it's comparatively really easy, mainly because you only have one answer for the questions. In the previous certification we had like 2-3 answers for a question, so that makes it really easy to pass the certification. So if you want to get started, you can actually add your email here and just click here to get started today. Then soon you will get an email like this with your username and this link where it will take you directly to the certification page. You can set up a new username and password, but if you already have an account, how I'll show you how you can access the page. First, when you log in, you can go to the student dashboard and you can see this funnel certification program. You just need to click on start. For me, I have already completed, that's why you are seeing this resume button. So just click this button, and when you click that, you will be taken to this page where you have like a quick introduction to the program. That is around like 2 minutes 44 seconds. And let's move to the next section. The chapter is about understanding sales funnels. So once you have completed all these video, you need to mark it as complete here. Since I have already done that, there is no button, but you need to always click this mark as complete button. Then only you will see the tick mark here, and only when you mark all the chapters as complete, then only you will have access to this quiz here. So once you are here, you can start answering the quiz. So what is the primary goal of the top of the funnel stage in a sales funnel? So the correct answer is to create awareness about the problem and your solutions. So that's the correct answer. So next question is, how does a sales funnel differ from a traditional website? The correct answer is, a sales funnel is highly focused with a clear objective, while traditional website offer a wide range of information without a specific order. The next one is, what are the 3 key elements you must have in place before launching a funnel? That is competitive research, knowing your offer, and determining the traffic source. What is the most important part of building a successful funnel? That is planning. What are the four types of goals for funnels in System.io? That I made a mistake, so this is not the correct answer. The correct answer is build an audience, sell, evergreen webinar, and custom. So this is the correct answer. What is the primary function of a squeeze page in a funnel? To collect information such as email. Which page type is typically used for showcasing the main offer, product, or service in a sales funnel? That is the sales page. What are the 3 key characteristics of an effective lead magnet? It should be easily accessible digitally and solve a specific problem for a target audience. So this is the correct answer. Once you complete, you can go to the next chapter. The next chapter is all about building funnels, and once you have completed all these videos, then you can take the quiz. So the quiz is, the first question is, what is the primary function of a squeeze page in a sales funnel? To collect leads by offering a valuable resource. Why is it important to consider how your sales funnel appear on different device? To optimize the user experience for various screen sizes. What is the primary purpose of a sales page in a funnel? To guide visitors towards making a purchase by showing the product in detail. What functions does the order bump serve on the sales page? It offers complementary products or services. What is the purpose of an upsell page in a funnel? The answer is to offer additional products or services after the initial purchase. What is the purpose of a thank you page in a funnel? To express the gratitude and guide the customer further. What is the recommended strategy for creating a link in bio with System.io? The duplicate an existing template and make minor adjustment for personalization. So that is completed. We can click on the next button and it will take you to the automating your funnels and digital products chapter, and you can finish these two videos and then go to the quiz, and these are the 4 questions. What is the first step to setting up a product for sale in a System.io funnel? You need to start with a pricing plan. How can a trial period be offered for subscription plans in System.io? You can have this by specifying a duration, example 10 days, in the designated field. What is the purpose of creating a tag for customer in your System.io funnel to differentiate between lead and a customer? After a customer purchases a course, what happens automatically? And they receive an email with the login information for the course platform. So those are the correct answers. Then we can move on to the next, where we have the next chapter called analytics and optimization. And once you have finished watching these videos, then take the quiz. There also we have like 4 questions. What is the purpose of accessing the stats section of a funnel in System.io? To analyze performance metrics of each funnel page. What does the opt-in conversion rate metrics reveal in System.io stats? The percentage of visitors who opted in on the opt-in page. What is the purpose of A/B testing? To pit two different versions of an element against each other and track the performance. How do you set up an A/B test in System.io? By selecting two pages within the same funnel and designating a goal page. So after you have finished this, then you can get your certificate by going to the clicking on this link. It will take you to like the contact us page where you can enter in your name, email, and subject as like finish the course. Then you can send a message that I want my certificate with this particular name. And then that will be sent to you via email in under like 1 or 2 hours. So that's how you get certified. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future tutorials and helpful guides using System.io. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.